Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna show you how to make a graph paper template in MS Word. So friends, if you want to make a graph paper template, there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, open MS Word, then click on design. Now friends, in here click on page color. So click on this tiny menu icon, then click on fill effect. Now in here click on pattern. So you will see a list and design of pattern. Select which you like. For example, if you like this, so select it. Now select foreground color like this one and background like this one. Then click on OK. That's it. So friends, very simple and easy method. You can make a graph paper template. Click on design and then page color, fill effect and select pattern and select anyone like if you want to this one, so select it this one and click on OK. That's it. So friends, hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By this easy and simple method we can know how to make a graph paper template in MS Word. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update, and friends please comment this video useful for you or not.